We're on the passenger side of the vehicle, and there's going to be one hole right here on the passenger side. That's where your oil filter is going to be. And then right up here on this side is where the drain plug is. And so to get the oil filter out, I bought this kit off Amazon. It's right around 20 bucks. And you're just able to put this cap, this oil filter wrench, up on that oil filter and remove it nice and easily. You're going to need a 17mm socket to get the drain plug out. Alright, when you're ready to take your oil filter off, this is kind of what you want to do. Just want to get up underneath the vehicle and just insert your oil filter wrench and ratchet, take it out and reinstall it. Alright, this is where you're going to put your new oil in. It takes right at, I want to say the owner's manual said 5.3 quarts of oil.